Hello everyone, welcome to Fource Tutorials. This is your friend Ganesh. The topic that we'll be looking today is checkbox control. So what is a checkbox control and why is it used? A checkbox is used when you want the user to select more than one options from the available choices. Okay. In the last video we looked into radio button where we want the user to choose only one among the given choices, while in checkbox there is an sorry, you can choose multiple options out here. Okay, let's look into the practical part of it. So go to my toolbox, and I get the checkbox. There is also something called as checkbox list, which we'll cover in the upcoming videos. For now, let's have a checkbox control. Okay, now let's make it a bit interesting. Say select hobbies. Okay, so I got 4 checkboxes. Let's look into some properties of it. The first property, that is the text, just like your radio button, it works similarly out here also. You can get or set text to your checkbox control. Let's do that and see. So the properties, I go to text and I mention out here, say cricket. Similarly, so here are my different hobbies. Let's run and see how it looks in our browser. So here you can see check boxes, and you can select all of them. Now let's do one thing. Let's look into the next property. Next property is about checked, and then there is TextAlign. I'll just show you TextAlign. TextAlign is primarily for the appearance of it. So in case if I want my text, that is cricket, to appear on the left side, okay, I can do that. You can see out here. So for now let's keep it to right only. That is about my TextAlign. Now to see my check property, let's do one thing. Let's have a button out here. And I go into the button properties. This is submit. And I change the text also to submit. Now on this submit, let's take a label and let's display whatever is being selected. Take a label for now. Let's go to properties. Now let's keep the text as blank, because initially when the page loads I don't want anything to be seen. So let's keep it blank for now. I'll just change this to be as selection message. Okay, Now on double click, clicking the button, we'll go to the CS part of it. Okay, so just like your radio button, the same thing appears here also. One thing that we have failed to do is changing the IDs out here. So I'll just change the IDs quickly. We'll set checkbox underscore cricket. So I've changed my checkbox IDs. Now let's say if checkbox underscore cricket dot checked. In my last video, a radio button, if you haven't seen it yet, please go and check it out. I have mentioned why just writing dot checked is enough. You need not mention equal to true. So if you haven't watched it yet, please. Let's say selection message dot text is equal to, I say your selection, your hobbies are and then here we will just append selection message dot text I'll say checkbox so here I am using the text property to get my values. Okay, so the same thing I will just copy paste and I'll just change this particular part. Let's save this. Let me show you in the browser. So when I click on cricket, I will see cooking also. This is submit. Your hobbies, cricket, cooking. There is no space out here, so let's add a space so that it looks better. Now let's see it. Let's save the changes. So now let's see. So the cricket, cooking. Okay, so you can see that space, it looks beautiful. So that was text checked, TextAlign, AutoPostBack, and the event CheckedChanged. So let's work on that now. Let's say for traveling, I'll try to do this. So first thing that we need to do is properties, go to AutoPostBack and make it true. The second thing to be done is double click on your traveling, so that gets you to your CheckedChanged event. Let me simply type a message, response, write traveling was selected. Let me save. Let's execute this. Now when I click on traveling, okay, instantly I get a message of traveling was selected. Okay, so that's what AutoPostBack does. Even before submitting, it is going to show me my message. So for now, let me keep AutoPostBack to false. It can be used according to your needs. Yes, so we have covered all the parts of CheckBox. Hope this video was useful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.